black and white one so you can have a friend.
Okay.
Why are we still entertaining us?
Because they're cute.
They're snappy.
And tangled. You want dancing?
Exactly. Can't take my eyes away from it.
Me neither. It's not cool.